Hello, hope you are having a great day. Our team Bluetex have been working on an automated attendance system for rural schools. This is a software domain project, the tech stack being Java for backend, Spring Boot, Angular, TypeScript, HTML, CSS for front-end development, and we have also incorporated hardware system. This is the hardware setup of our project, which consists of a microcontroller ESP32, a RFID card reader module RC522, a passive buzzer, and an LED for indicating the status of the setup. So this is the software side of our project. The software side consists of two interfaces, one which will work offline and one which can be accessed online. Let us first come to the offline interface which we have made with Python. The attendance system dashboard. Here are multiple tabs. Attendance records, which shows the current attendance records of the students. Manage students, which shows the current students in the whole database. Email absentees. Here we can load the absentees and personally send them email. Upload data to test connection to the backend server and check if everything is working properly. Class routine tab to add periods. So first we ensure that our device has been connected properly. Then we provide the school start and ending times. For now, for the demo, we take start time 7:20 and ending time of the school 7:25. This has been implemented for the students to follow a stricter attendance policy so that a student cannot record his or her card twice at the same time to be marked as present for the day. So here we see the existing attendance record of the students for the day. If we start the session and we take a new demo considering our new student, so let us take for example Tushar. Now the attendance has been recorded. Student ID 1, roll number 13, Tushar. Time of entry has been recorded. So now the end time of the school has been reached. If we scan the card again, here we see for Tushar, class N, section A, time exit has been also recorded, and so he is present for the day. We have implemented a feature called midday meal mode, which, like the attendance mode, scans the card of the students during midday meal, so that each of the students are recorded in the midday meal records. Let's see a demo. And if we see again in the attendance records table, midday meal for Tushar has been taken. Yes. This midday meal feature has been implemented in this offline app so that the guardians of the students can be well informed about their children's habits of eating in the school and for administrative purposes also. Now coming to the online interface, here we can see options of sign up and login. Here we can sign up for the admin or the principal or teacher. Let's create a user, then login. with the same admin user and password. So here is the admin dashboard. We can see how many total students have been registered, how many students are present today, how many students have been absent today. For registering new students to RFID cards, so to register students to assign new cards to new students, we go here, then back to the offline interface. We start the scanning process, then we scan a new card to detect the new RFID, and we enter the student details. The student has been registered successfully. Now let's see what happens if we scan an already registered card. It doesn't take it. And in the admin dashboard we have options like manage users, through which we can assign class teachers to different classes. So we can create a new class teacher and assign a new teacher to a class. We can also manage, edit or delete the user, or change the class, or assign a teacher to a new class. We can do all this through here. Now view attendance. Here is the admin view attendance page. Here we can see for the selected date, for the selected class, for the selected section, which students are present and which students are absent. And this is the student dashboard, where we see students details, their last seen when they were present last, and their monthly attendance. So this is our comprehensive solution to the problem statement of student attendance system for schools in rural areas, which is pretty much easy to use, low cost, effective, and doesn't need high maintenance. It is a low maintenance device with software solutions available for both online and offline usages. Thank you for being a part of this demonstration.